Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also support this video by giving it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section. Let's get into it. So in this video guys, I show you how I achieved this halo braid hairstyle look on my short 4C natural hair. I wish I could say it was easy, but it wasn't. So I start off by adding a little bit of tea tree oil to my scalp. I did add my shea butter mix to my hair prior to doing so. The gel for this style was the Eco Styler gel. You can use any gel of your choice. However, my scalp for whatever reason is sensitive to certain gels. It cause my scalp to itch. So far the Eco Styler gel has been working for me. So that's what I used for this hairstyle. I applied a generous amount because, as you can see, my hair is super short, so it was kind of hard getting my strands to lay down the way I wanted them to, but I managed to get a mini ponytail in the back, and that was all I needed to achieve this hairstyle, honestly, because once I was able to achieve that little ponytail in the back there, all I had to do was to apply gel to the other parts of my hair in order to get them to sleek down properly. Remember though, if your hair is as short and thick as mine, the trick to achieving this look is to actually take your hair in sections whilst trying to sleek them down. Trying to do it all together will not work, honestly. It did not work for me, so I had to take them in smaller parts, and then I applied the gel as I went along. Also, what I did was, because my hair was wet, they curl up once I applied the gel sometimes in certain portions, so I also used bobby pins to secure the ends of them, just to ensure that they were laying down properly and not curling up. Yeah, so every time I took a small section, I detangled a little bit, and then I combed it down or sleeked it back. And then if it wasn't laying down properly or the way I wanted it to, I would then go ahead to use a hard end brush to brush it down. That helped a lot too. So I finally got every single strand all sleeked down. It wasn't easy, but it was doable. I mean, if your hair is longer than mine, it won't be as hard as I had it, because it's gonna be easier to pull all your strands together. But with us short hair people, we have to figure out a strategy because we want to rock every look just as a long hair person would want to. So this was a strategy that works for me, or that worked for me. So after getting it all together, I went ahead to wrap my hair with a scarf. Try not to make it too tight because you're gonna get a headache. Honestly, you're gonna end up with a headache, because that's exactly what I did, and I ended up with a headache. So don't make it too tight. And as much as you want to sleek down as much as possible, don't make it too tight. Once the hair was all wrapped up, I let it sit for a while to dry. It wasn't fully dried though, because I had to use a generous amount of gel, but we had to finish the look. So I attached a rubber band to the braid in order to be able to use that to attach it to my hair. That way it doesn't fall off of my head. And then I use the tip portion of the braid to cover my ponytail. That way my hair does not stick out. Ooh, it looks good that way though. So that's how I achieved this. And then I went ahead to position the braid around the perimeter of my head. This is up to your discretion. Depending on the shape of your head or the size of your head, you just have to position in the way that fits your face, and once you like the look, it's completely all right. I could have made my braid a little bit longer because I guess I forgot that I had a bigger head, so but it worked out. I liked it. It was simple, it was easy. You can rock this if you're going to a wedding, a party, whatever. Honestly, it's easy. If your hair is longer, you can achieve this in, like, let's say 15 minutes. Mine is shorter, so it took a much longer time to actually get my strands all secured and put up in a bun. But then if your hair is longer, it's gonna become super easy, and you can probably achieve this look without applying any gel. Once I wrapped the braid around the perimeter of my hair, I went ahead to secure with bobby pins, and then I cut off any hair or any portions of the braid that was sticking out, and this is the finished look. Like I've always said, once the look hits right, I have to dance. I have to celebrate because this was hard work and I deserve any celebration. Here's the finished look, guys. Share your thoughts in the comment section. How do you achieve this look on your super short 4C hair or super short hair, honestly? And if you have any tips or tricks, let me know in the comment section as well. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also support my video by giving it a thumbs up, and also share the link with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly.